Dear students, welcome to my channel. Today I just want to discuss about TCS Code Vita examination. So most of the students are having a dream that I want to get placed in TCS, I want to get placed in Infosys. So the students who want to get placed in TCS, don't waste your time. So it's a time to apply for TCS Code Vita exam where you can get entered into the TCS company directly. So in this video, I just want to discuss three important parameters. One is what is TCS Code Vita examination? What is the eligibility criteria? Who can write this examination? And how TCS Code Vita contest will go on? And what is the selection procedure for it? And what is the last date to register for TCS Code Vita examination? So these are the things I just want to discuss. So don't waste your time. Let's get into the video. So welcome to Code Vita Season 9. So Code Vita is an examination. Every year they are going to conduct one Code Vita examination. This is a Season 9. In this Season 9 already they given the notification date to register for the examination. So what is this Code Vita is? Code Vita is a one of the global coding contest where you can apply for this exam and you can check what is your programming skills. So basically the book good programming skills, if you have a good programming skills without having any knowledge of aptitude and reasoning, if you are a good programming skills good coder, you can able to get into TCS directly. So that's the advantage of TCS Code Vita. Let's go into the first point. What is Code Vita? So Code Vita is the world largest coding contest and where the student can enter into TCS company directly just by clearing the written test of programming. So it is going to be an online coding contest where it is having 6 coding problems. And this 6 coding problems you have to crack in the 6 hours period of time. So if you observe the basic eligibility criteria for Code Vita. So the students who are doing BTech, the first year and second year and third year and fourth year candidates, whoever and whatever the branch, no matter IT, CSC, mechanical, and all the branch students can be eligible for writing this exam. Not only graduates, even the postgraduate students can also apply for this Code Vita examination. So that means 2021, 2022, 2023, 2024 BTech students can comfortably write this exam. Even postgraduate students, MCA students also can eligible for writing this exam. And what is the selection procedure? So Code Vita is a kind of contest where the contest will go on with the 3 rounds. So the first round is going to be pre-qualifier, the second round is going to be qualifier, and the third round is going to be grand finale. So what happens if you clear all the 3 rounds and what will be there in these 3 rounds? Let's have a glance. The first round is going to be pre-qualifier journal round. So mostly this examination will be conducted on 10th July. So here pre-qualifier round and qualifier round, you can write at home. All these examinations are conducted in online. So the examination mostly conducted pre-qualifier will be there in the month of June, July, and qualifier will be there in the month of November, and grand finale will be there in 2021 February. So and grand finale examination, you have to go to the particular venue and write your examination, but pre-qualifier and qualifier are going to be written on online at home. So pre-qualifier and qualifier examinations, both the examinations, pre-qualifier examination is going to have 6 codes, 6 programming questions. So mostly pattern based questions. And this 6 programming questions, you have to crack it in 6 hours period of time. They will be giving a time slot for you. It ranges from 4 o'clock to 10 o'clock, something like that. 6 hours of time will be given. So even qualifier round is also going to have 6 coding problems and you have to crack, you have to write a code for these 6 programs. So out of the 6 programs, the minimum qualifying, if you can able to crack 1 or 2 codes, or if you are able to write 1 or 2 codes properly or correctly without using copy paste kind of thing. So if you can write those codes properly, then you can able to qualify the first round and the second round, and you will be get the notification through the mail. They will be communicating with you with the mail. So while you are registering, they will be taking the mail for the communication further. So what is the last date for registering Code Vita examination is? So already Code Vita registration starting date was 17th March 2020. If you are already applied, then that's fine. I'm trying to make one more video where I'm going to give some more information which is related to practice questions and previous questions of Code Vita programs. And if you are not just apply, you have a time till July 5th. You can apply till July 5th. The last date for registration is going to be July 5th of 2020. and who didn't applied for the examination, I'm trying to make one more video which is based on how to register for TCS Code Vita examination. So what is the advantage after writing Code Vita examination? So the advantage is Code Vita examination. If you clear Code Vita examination contest, so the first thing is you will be having a direct interview. There is no other thing. If you can clear your Code Vita exam, Code Vita winner, so then you will be having a direct interview, direct HR interview, just to check your technical skills and check where you are interested to look at. And at the same time, you will have a cash prize up to $20,000. And at the same time, you will have a package of 7 lakhs per annum. So these are the advantages of writing Code Vita examination. And if you can clear, these are the things you are going to get benefited. Apart from 7 lakhs of package, you will also have the other things. As you know, TCS is one of the most repeated company in India. You are going to have education loan, you are going to have home loan, so many health and other kind of facilities will be given apart from your annual package. So that is how the TCS Code Vita examination will be there. So hurry up, please try to apply for the examination and check what is your programming skills and get into TCS directly. Thank you so much for watching this video and subscribe my channel.